Hey guys, it's Finance Balance. Who here feels like they could use a good night's sleep? Studies show that millions of people around the world aren't getting the sleep they need, but it doesn't have to be this way. We can take control of our sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Today we're diving into 10 simple yet effective life hacks to transform your sleep. Get ready to unlock the secrets to sleeping like a champ. Getting a good night's sleep can sometimes feel like mission impossible, right? It's a struggle many of us know all too well. You lie there, eyes wide open, feeling the minutes tick by. The frustration builds as you realize that another sleepless night is upon you. You're tossing and turning, staring at the ceiling. The more you try to force yourself to sleep, the more elusive it becomes. It's like trying to catch a cloud with your bare hands. One of the biggest sleep stealers out there is stress. Whether it's work deadlines, personal issues, or just the general hustle and bustle of life, stress can keep your mind racing long after your body is ready to rest. Your mind races with a million thoughts, and in today's world there's always something to be stressed about. Then there's technology. Our constant connection to the digital world can be a double-edged sword. We're constantly bombarded with notifications, emails, and social media. Each ping and buzz can pull us back into a state of alertness, making it even harder to wind down. The blue light from our devices can mess with our sleep patterns, telling our brains to stay awake. This artificial light interferes with the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. By addressing these common challenges, we can set ourselves up for some seriously restful nights. Creating a calm and comfortable sleep environment, managing stress, and limiting screen time before bed are all steps in the right direction. With a bit of effort and mindfulness, a good night's sleep can become a reality rather than a dream. Let's talk about the power of a solid bedtime routine. Establishing a consistent bedtime routine can be a game changer for your overall well-being. It's not just about getting enough sleep, but about creating a series of habits that signal to your body and mind that it's time to relax and prepare for rest. Your body loves consistency, especially when it comes to sleep. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. By creating a relaxing routine every night, you're signaling your brain that it's time to wind down. This could include activities like gentle yoga or meditation, which help to calm your mind and body, reducing stress and anxiety. Try incorporating calming activities like taking a warm bath or reading a book. These activities can help lower your heart rate and prepare your body for sleep. A warm bath can relax your muscles, while reading can distract your mind from the day's worries. Dimming the lights about an hour before bed helps increase melatonin production, the sleep hormone. Melatonin is crucial for regulating your sleep-wake cycle, and dimming the lights mimics the natural transition from day to night. If you're struggling to fall asleep, consider trying a melatonin supplement. Melatonin supplements can be particularly helpful for those who have irregular sleep schedules or are experiencing jet lag, but consult your doctor first. It's important to ensure that melatonin is safe for you, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. Consistency is key. Stick with your bedtime routine as much as possible, even on weekends. This helps reinforce your body's internal clock and makes it easier to maintain good sleep habits. You'll be amazed at how much better you sleep. Over time, you'll find that a consistent bedtime routine not only improves the quality of your sleep, but also enhances your overall mood and energy levels during the day. Let's turn your bedroom into a sleep sanctuary. Your sleep environment can significantly impact the quality of your rest. By making a few adjustments, you can create a space that promotes relaxation and rejuvenation. The ideal temperature for sleep is around 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Keeping your room cool can help regulate your body temperature, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. If you find 65 degrees too cold, experiment with temperatures between 60 and 70 degrees to find what works best for you. A slightly cooler room can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Consider using breathable bedding materials like cotton or linen, which can help keep you cool. Layering your blankets allows you to adjust your warmth as needed during the night. Create total darkness with blackout curtains, and eliminate light from electronic devices. Light can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, so it's important to minimize exposure before bedtime. Consider using a sleep mask if blackout curtains aren't an option. Also, try to avoid screens at least an hour before bed to reduce blue light exposure. Some people prefer complete silence, while others find white noise helps them relax. White noise machines can mask disruptive sounds, creating a consistent auditory environment that can help you drift off more easily. If white noise isn't your thing, you might find nature sounds or soft music more soothing. Experiment with what works best for you, like using a fan or a white noise machine. Fans can provide both white noise and a cooling effect, which can be doubly beneficial. The key is to find a sound environment that helps you relax and stay asleep. Invest in a good quality mattress, pillows, and bedding for the right support and comfort. Your mattress should support your body without causing pressure points, and your pillows should keep your neck aligned with your spine. Don't underestimate the power of comfortable, high-quality bedding to enhance your sleep experience. Your sleep environment plays a crucial role in how well you sleep. By optimizing your bedroom for comfort, darkness, and quiet, you can create a sanctuary that promotes restful and restorative sleep. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your overall sleep quality. We need to talk about our tech addiction. The blue light from our devices suppresses melatonin production. The constant stimulation from social media and emails keeps our brains buzzing. Try a digital detox at least an hour before bed. No more scrolling through Instagram or binge-watching shows. Instead, read a book, take a relaxing bath, or journal. If you must use your phone, try a blue light filter app or blue light blocking glasses. Reducing screen time before bed can significantly improve your sleep quality. What about those times when your mind won't stop racing? That's where relaxation techniques come in. Deep breathing exercises are a popular option. Inhale slowly through your nose, hold, and exhale through your mouth. Progressive muscle relaxation involves tensing and releasing different muscle groups. Meditation and mindfulness are powerful tools for calming the mind. There are guided meditation apps and videos available online. Make relaxation techniques a regular part of your routine. Even a few minutes of deep breathing or meditation each day can improve your sleep quality. Let's talk about the importance of consistency. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day, even on weekends. Sticking to a consistent sleep schedule helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, or circadian rhythm. Your circadian rhythm is like an internal clock that tells your body when to sleep and wake. Constantly changing your sleep schedule throws your circadian rhythm out of whack. Try to keep your wake-up time relatively consistent. This will help improve your sleep quality in the long run. What you eat can impact how well you sleep. Avoid heavy meals close to bedtime. Digesting a big meal can raise your body temperature, making it harder to fall asleep. Opt for a light, healthy snack if you're hungry before bed. Avoid caffeine in the afternoon and evening, and limit alcohol consumption. Certain foods like those rich in tryptophan can promote sleep. Stay hydrated throughout the day to prevent fatigue and improve sleep. Exercise can improve your sleep quality. Regular physical activity helps regulate your circadian rhythm and reduce stress. Even moderate exercise like brisk walking or cycling can make a difference. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days. Timing is key. Finish your workouts a few hours before bed. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Consult your doctor before starting any new exercise program. Naps can be tempting, but they can disrupt your natural sleep-wake cycle. Napping uses up some of your sleep drive, making it harder to fall asleep at night. If you must nap, keep it short and sweet, no more than 20 to 30 minutes. Avoid napping late in the afternoon or evening. If you're feeling sleepy during the day, try getting up and moving around. Boost your energy levels by going for a walk or doing some light exercise. Remember optimizing your sleep environment? White noise is a game changer. White noise masks other sounds that might disturb your sleep. It's like a blanket of sound that blocks out annoying distractions. Studies show white noise can help you fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly. Use a white noise machine, a fan, or a calming nature sounds app. Experiment with different sounds and volumes to find what works best for you. There you have it, 10 life hacks to help you sleep better starting tonight. We covered everything from bedtime routines to optimizing your sleep environment. Remember, getting enough sleep is crucial for our physical and mental health. Which sleep hacks are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best, well-rested life. Until next time, sweet dreams.